Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif Chapter 3, question number 10. So we have to determine the equation of a curve based on the information given. So for part A, we are given the gradient function of the curve, that is dy dx equals to 3x squared plus x minus 2, and it passes through the point P. So normally when I see the gradient function, I will have the habit to sketch the curve, all right, and then mark down the three important elements. Okay, the three important elements, which I call it as our important part to form the golden triangle. That is first the equation of the curve. In this case, we don't have, and we need to find it. Secondly, will be the MT. M stands for the gradient of tangent. So the gradient function refers to the gradient of tangent of any point along this curve. So the gradient of tangent is given by the dy dx. It means every time we differentiate, when you go down, differentiate the y, you get dy dx, and that is 3x squared plus x minus 2. And also another important element is the point. So 215. So these three are the important elements every time we want to solve the differentiation or integration problem, which has something to do with the gradient function. Okay, so what do we do next? Since we need to find y, so we have to bring this differentiation notation, okay, across to the other side. That means we reverse the function of differentiation. So the inverse function will be the integration. So y equals to integration of 3x squared plus x minus 2. With respect to x, we copy the whole term, and we increase the power by 1 divided by the new power plus x squared divided by 2 minus 2x plus c. Let's simplify this. Therefore, the equation of the curve will be y equals to x cubed plus x squared over 2 minus 2x plus c. However, this equation is incomplete because we have a constant here. This constant must be found. So how? We substitute the point P into the equation. So therefore, every time I see y, I replace with 15. Every time I see x, I replace with 2. So we have 2 cubed plus 2 squared over 2 minus 2 times 2 plus c. So we bring all this number to the left side. Okay, and let's write in its mirror image. So c equals to 15 minus 8 minus, simplify this, minus 2. And then this one is negative 4. Bring across to the other side, become plus 4. So 15 minus 8 minus 2, left with 5. 5 plus 4, we have 9. Therefore, the equation of the curve is y equals to x cubed plus x squared over 2 minus 2x plus 9. So we have found the equation of the curve. Now the next question, part B. The gradient function of the curve is f prime x, which is the gradient of tangent. Okay, and we have this. This actually means the object 3 is our x, and this whole thing is actually the image, which is the y. So same thing, according to my method, I will mark down these three important elements that form the golden triangle. So y is the one that we need to find. So the gradient of tangent, the y is actually fx, okay? So the gradient of tangent is f prime x, which is 2x plus 9. And then the point here, the x is 3, the y is 21. Okay, and then these three things, they are interrelated. We multiply this, we get the c. Okay, so let's start from there. To find the fx, we just need to integrate the f prime x, and therefore integrate the 2x plus 9 with respect to x. So we have x squared plus 9x plus c. And now this is fx. And we can substitute the 3 and 21 in. Every time when I see fx, I replace with 21. Every time I see the x, I replace with 3. So 3 squared plus 9 times 3 plus c. And let's bring all this to the other side. So c will equals to 21 minus 9 minus 27. So 21 minus 9, we have 12. So 12 minus 27, we have negative 15. Therefore, the function of the curve is x squared plus 9x minus 15. That's it for the question number 10.